Most of chlorine leakage is often observed from the chlorine valve seat or the spindle. There is almost no reportable incident of a body leakage. Only in case of explosion or disaster is that possible. The Savior Chloro Kit is designed to contain a chlorine leakage. As soon as there is a leakage from the chlorine valve, make the valves in the vertical position. In case of a plug leakage, take the plug leakage fixture as shown and put it on the groove of the plug. Start plugging it and ensure till the plug seal is okay. Carry the fixture and just put it on the circumference of the chlorine tunnel. It will self-adjust to the center of the valve. Take the chain and move around the tunnel and fix it on the other side of the angle as shown. This ensures pressure resistance from the leakage. After this, take the small hook on the left hand, keep the valve in vertical side and start fixing it on the leaked valve. Take the central key, adjust the position and start tightening until you observe total chlorine stop from the valve. Please remember, this is the chlorine containment kit. This, however, shall not ensure complete stopping of chlorine leakage, but you can contain the leakage. Most of chlorine leakages happen in the cylinder from the valve seat or the spindle. Erect the cylinder to vertical position so that the valve is facing towards the sky. Wear the correct breathing apparatus so that there is no accident in terms of respiratory protection. Take the kit from both the hands and slide it from the top end of the cylinder. Put it below the welding mark. Start tightening the round circumference. Now put the small hood on the valve and start locking the central key so that the leakage is completely stopped. Seal it correctly to minimize leakage. Please remember, this is the chlorine containment kit. This, however, shall not ensure complete stopping of chlorine leakage, but you can contain the leakage. From the provision of the hood which is given, a secondary valve, you can start neutralizing the chlorine or use the chlorine online.